Yes, greetings everyone. You are welcome to this discussion. Today we'll be talking about the benefits of registering your business as a business name or as a company. The benefits that lies therein. Because most times clients seem not to understand the differences between registering your business as a business name or as a company. Firstly, I would like to start with the similarities. One good thing of registering your business as a business name or as a company is that your name, you have exclusive possession, exclusive ownership of that name that is registered. That is of the name you are doing your business in. What that suggests is that nobody, not even the big player like Dangote and the rest, can register their business with that name again. It means that name has been secured for life. That is the similarity. However, the difference between registering your business as a business name or as a company is this. If register as a business name, fine, you are allowed, you can do business on that name, but you can't sell shares to the public. But registering as a company, you can sell shares to the public. If you are a public company, you can also sell shares to friends, you know, close allies if you register as a private company. So invariably, what that suggests is that registering as a company, you can sell shares. Registering as a business name, you cannot. And again, registering as a company, you have one advantage in the sense that your company is different from you, the so-called ownership. What that means is that in law, company is seen as a different human being, as a human being, seen as a human being. So you are different from your company. That corporate entity, corporate personality is present while registering as a company. So in essence, if tomorrow in the course of doing business, maybe there's a challenge, that borders on the business, maybe the business is about to be liquidated or about to be wound up, or the business is encountering some challenges, or it even involve litigation, lawsuit, is the company that will be sued, is the name of the company that will be sued to be represented by the manager or whoever that's appointed to represent the company, and not the owner of the company. The owner of the company is different, purely different from the company. That bring us to the case of Salomon versus Salomon. Salomon and Salomon, very popular. It's a case that every business personnel, every business-minded individuals ought to know, whether you are a lawyer or not, because it's an eye-opener. Fine. In that case, a man called Salomon incorporated a company. In fact, before he incorporated it as a company, he was doing it before. He was doing the business, he was into the business before, but later he decided to incorporate it as a company. Mind you, what I'm saying is just the summary of the case, just the summary of it. And when he eventually decided to incorporate this as a company, then he made himself a director. He brought himself in as a director. He brought his wife and his children. And in the process, people he sold shares to the public. People invest in the company. Then along the line, there was a challenge, and the business was to be wound up. Then Solomon ended up paying himself first, his wife, and the two, and the daughters. I mean the children. Then the creditors now, which is the person that invested the money, sued him that no, he ought not to pay himself first, since he owes the company, because he's not different from the company. They went to court, and the court heard that Solomon is different from Solomon and Solomon and Co. That Solomon was right in paying himself, his wife, and then the children first before thinking of paying outside that. And when he was about to pay outside that, the money finished. And the court heard he was right, because the company, it was purely different from Solomon, purely different from Mr. Solomon. So that is why if you are carrying on business, you must endeavor to register as a company. or if you have succeeded in registering as a business name before, registering a business name before, you must try and convert it to a company, because you have high advantage over businesses that are not registered as a company. You have, in fact, banks can even grant you loan if you register as a company. You can the company can own property. You can open bank account in name of the company. The company can open can buy property in name of the company. You can enter contract in name of the company. You can do virtually everything that a human being can do in the name of the company. You have that right. You enjoy it. You see? And again, one good thing you must know is that registering as a company, you know, there are there are some dimensions we venture in, wherein the rate of tax you pay because you are registered will reduce, unlike when you are not registered. Mind you, the law even says that you ought to register your business, whether as a business name, as a company, after 27 to 28 days of even starting that business. So it's even legally wrong not for you not to register your business. It's legally wrong. So do well today. Endeavor to register your business as a business name or as a company, because you have many things to enjoy while you, if register as a company. You can have your company secretary, you know, register place of business and the rest. Think of the is so numerous. So do well to register your business as a business name to secure your name, then later convert it to a company, or you can just register as a company once and for once direct, and enjoy everything that goes with it. Think about it.